after crossing this bridge, I think next stop I have to get down Tin Factory. In Tin Factory area there is a metro station, so I'll catch a metro train to. Now I am on the Puram bridge area. So from bridge area I will get in factory area. I'll try to catch I will change my mode of transportation. I'll try to get a metro from tin factory. This is Puram railway station. So after this Puram, now we are on the Puram bridge flyover. The next we'll come to the tin factory here. I'll get down tin factory, then I'll try to get a metro train down there. Metro is compared to this, there is in the road there is going to be more traffic because it's the peak time. If I get delayed, the best timing is 6. I have to reach 6 o'clock before. And this bus is not going to the Majestic also, it go to the Majestic area, then I have to change the bus. So it will go, if I get delayed then it will be difficult. So metro is faster compared to this bus. It will directly reach me to Majestic area. It will take the person who is sitting to me, he said it's going to be take only half an hour to reach Majestic.